Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for about 4 weeks, but I am back and ready to show you guys some projects I've been working on. I know I told you I don't usually decorate for Halloween, and I usually don't, but I've just kind of been in the mood lately. So these are just some quick, easy Dollar Tree mostly projects that I made, and I did use my Cricut on all 3 of them. I also am going to keep it real and show you one of the fails of these projects so you guys can see that it happens to everybody. So let's go ahead and let's jump into these projects. So for the first project, I'm going to use this purple platter, my chalkboard paint that I absolutely love, and then I am going to use some ribbon that I had on hand, just some of this black and white polka dot, and I had some with pumpkins on it and just some purple and orange. Now this is my fail project, so let me tell you about it because a lesson learned here. I love this chalkboard paint and I've just about put it on everything, right? So I thought this would be really cute on this platter, but the platter is plastic. So I did about 3 coats and it did not work. So just use black paint instead of chalkboard paint. Now the bow right here I'm using as a template. I actually thought I bought the Halloween colored ones from Dollar Tree that look just like this one. This one's the fall colors. I can't find them anywhere in my house, so I don't know what I did with them. So I'm just going to use it as a template to make a bow out of the ribbon that I have on hand. And I literally just had enough of the black and white polka dots and then the pumpkin one to make this bow. So I mean, I've really just used what I had on hand. So don't judge me on my bow making skills. I'm just going by what this Dollar Tree bow looks like. I hot glued a ton of it together, so just go with me on it. So as you can see here, I just finished up the bow by hot gluing the tails onto the back, and I absolutely love the way this bow turned out. So here is me trying to figure out where I'm going to put the bow, and I love it in the corner, so I'm just going to use a generous amount of hot glue and just go ahead and stick it right there in the corner. Now again, the chalk was not going to write on this. It literally just pulled the chalkboard paint off of the platter. So what I did, and I did not show you guys this, but I went over to my Cricut. I cut out the words trick or treat and white cardstock. I used some glue dots and I just glued them on just like I was going to write with the chalk. So again, if you guys want to do this project, the chalkboard paint does not work. This was a fail, but I think I resurrected it. So, but this is what it looks like, and it's super cute. So, you know, you can use it as decoration, or you could use it as a platter without the bow. Now for this next project, I used the black platter, and I used some of these little pumpkin, they're calling them ornaments. They're just little thin wood. And I also had some of this glitter paper that I'd gotten a while back, and I'm going to use the orange sheet that comes in there, and it's so awesome. It's thin, great to work with. And then I have these little clothespins that I'm going to use as well. So all of these things are from the Dollar Tree. The only thing not from the Dollar Tree are these letters, which I spelled out B-O-O. And I just had just cut those out with my Cricut. So to get started, I'm going to trace out the pumpkins on the glitter paper, cut them out, hot glue them to the front, and you can make your stem go whatever way you want. I just chose to make mine go that way. And then I'm going to hot glue the clothespin at an angle onto where the stem of the pumpkin is. and then just clip my letters on, and real simple. And then I'm going to hot glue the pumpkins just straight down the middle of the sign. So super, super easy, you guys. Very quick project. You could add a ribbon to the back and hang it, or you can just display it, you know, maybe like on your buffet or something, like I probably will. So now for this third project, I am going to use this Beware sign. And I've already told you guys I love these signs. I went ahead and cut out Happy Halloween and some jack-o'-lanterns, bats, and some spiders with my vinyl. So that's all ready to go. Make sure to keep your ribbon. You can reuse that. You don't need to change out the ribbon or anything. But to get started, I'm going to flip it over and paint it white with my Apple Barrel white paint. And you can see here I'm going to get, you know, I'm not precise at all. I do want a little bit of that brown background to show through to help it look a little bit distressed, but I didn't want, you know, I didn't want it to be too distressed. So you'll just see I'm just kind of going until I feel like I like it, and this is what I ended up with. So you can see a little bit of that brown showing through, and I think it turned out so cute. So now I'm just going to peel the backing off of my vinyl here and go ahead and put the word happy on. I decided to do it kind of at an angle at the top, and then I have my Halloween going vertically down the center of the sign. And instead of using an O like in a font, I decided to use a jack-o'-lantern. So I'm going to put that where the O would be. And I also wanted to add a little more, so I have a spider that's going to come down from the Y in the word happy. And then I added 2 little bats on here as well, just to kind of decorate and jazz it up a little bit. So I put the ribbon back in there to hang it, and this project turned out so cute. And I'm sorry about the lighting and the bad pictures. It was getting late in the day and my lighting was terrible, so I'm sorry. But this one I will probably hang on the door on Halloween day. So these are the projects. I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and please make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you want to see more videos, hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.